We're back with Subway Surfers getting to 11 million points. Now that's a lot. Okay, so get to 11 million bars part 2. We're continuing from that, so yeah. Oh shit, it's glitching because it's not used to the speed anymore. Oh no. Get a hoverboard. Okay, we got a hoverboard. Okay. Now guys, make sure you watch to the end and like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And watch to the end and remember in my videos and anytime and please like and subscribe and stuff and yeah, just, I should remember those. I don't know. God, what's wrong with me? I need more subscribers. I need them. I don't technically need them, but you know, I just want them. You just want them. It's not a need. It's a want. Like I need water, but I want likes and subscribers. Hey, guess what? More likes and subscribers. Can you give me that as a Christmas present? Like I need them. Like I want them. And then I'll give you the Christmas video. If you give me more likes and subscribers, like I bet more. I want subscribers more. Like I don't really care about the likes and more. I don't care about the subscribers. But I really do want likes though. But I want people to like follow me so they can see my videos so they can like them. Like if you don't have subscribers, you won't have people that know your channel, so they won't know when your videos are popping up. Oh, and also turn notifications on so you know I make new videos and stuff. Yeah, especially when that new Christmas video is gonna come out. Like you need to know. Like you need to know. Like you need to know when it comes out. Of course, it's gonna come out on Christmas. Like first you know that, but make sure you watch the video to the end and so because you never know when I might tell a sneak peek of the Christmas video or anything. So make sure you watch to the end. Just watch to the end anyway, like because it's gonna be a cool video. Like I'm playing Subway Surfers. I'm gonna be getting real far, letting stuff. Like we're gonna get to 11 million points in Subway Surfers. That's cool. If we don't make it, I don't know what to say for myself. Again, I'll be really sorry with myself. I will be so upset with myself. I don't know what. I will feel like a failure. Like this is like I tried so hard, but I didn't make it. I don't know. But for the people who don't think that, thank you very much. Like I don't know. Like thank you. Like, thanks for the support, guys. Like you guys are so nice. Sorry for making this video late, but like you guys are nice. Like make sure you check out my TikTok and stuff. I said that in part of 2. Make sure you check out my TikTok and stuff. It's called my TikTok is called Jacqueline Hawkins 7. I forgot to tell you that in the Subway Surfers getting to 11 million points part 2. I forgot to tell you that in that one. So make sure you watch this one. Yeah. See, that's why you need to always watch it to the end because you know you might miss stuff and stuff like that. That's like because if you don't want to wait until I show you the videos, you can just like download TikTok and you can look at them yourself. Like they're pretty good. Like. Like we're beating this high score for sure. Like, God, we got 15 keys, a lot of hoverboards, and we got Jamie, the good luck guy. God, this is such a success right now. But soon we're gonna airborne hoverboard, not too soon, but you know the hoverboard is not gonna last forever. ever. So there's gonna be time where I'm not gonna be able to use them no more. So that's why I should try to save them, I guess. Whee! But they're pretty fun though. Makes me beat the high score faster. Oh shit. And stop collisions like that. Oh, in case you don't know what a collision is a crash when two things meet and then they just bump heads and bump into each other, and then that's a collision. Like when things collide and two things meet and they bump into each other, that's a collision. Just like a car crash or something, or accident in the road, yeah, that's a collision. Yeah, I'm the smart guy. I specialize in reading. I read on 11.6. Like I'm the if you need help with your reading, I'm the man to help. Like I'm the man to help. Like I don't do my homework, but I'm the man to help. God, it was what am I saying? I do my homework sometimes. I can't say I do it all the time, but I do it, but it's just the math homework I don't like to do. I do some of it just to get by sometimes, but I do all my reading homework. I like reading, it's fun. The reason why I stopped doing homework because of the things I didn't know, and then I was like, I don't like telling the teacher something I don't know. And then like, and people like just look at me like, you don't know that? You don't know that? You're dumb. It's not like you're like, cause I don't like not knowing something. I don't like not knowing something. Like nobody likes that. Nobody wants to be in the dark. Nobody doesn't want to know something. Like you don't want to be in the dark. That's why I don't do homework sometimes. I don't know what it be drawn sometimes. It be hard sometimes. I don't know. Sometimes it could just be the small things that I'm just like, I could be getting all A's right now, but instead of doing that, I just do stupid stuff sometimes. I don't know, so I can. Sometimes I do stupid things for stupid reasons. I don't know. I could just be getting all A's right now, but I do stupid things. So stupid things get you in stupid situations, and stupid situations get you in stupid places, and stupid places get you in make you stupid, and when you're stupid, can't get a career. You're just stupid, and you're not going anywhere. You're just gonna be like on the street asking for some dollars and stuff. I don't know. Asking for can I get $1 or no? I don't have no money for you. Why don't you go get a job, you little hobo? Yeah, I don't want to be sitting on the side of the street saying, can I get $1? No, I don't want to do that. I do most of my homework, but I can't say I do all of it. Not everybody does all your homework. They're not that perfect. Nobody does all of your homework. If they do, they're just a little goody person. I'm like, nobody's that perfect. If you are, I don't know what to say. Like, you do all your homework, like, there's something wrong. You're too good to be true. You must be good at school, but something's wrong with you at home. No judge, but if you're that good at school, there must be a unbalance. Like you must be too good at school, and it's unbalanced at home. So I don't know what's wrong, but I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. I went from one conversation to another. I'm not even talking to anybody. Talking to the world. Really talk to the world. Not everybody sees this video. Anybody can see the video, but I don't know what's on Like, that's why you gotta really think about it hard. Like, before you put videos on YouTube, you gotta think about it. Anybody can see your video. Anybody can just look it up. Anybody can just come across your video. So you can't just post anything up there. Like, because that's the things I think about. Even though I'm impulsive sometimes, I still think about that. I don't want to be embarrassed on YouTube. I don't want to be embarrassed on YouTube. That's just the worst way to go. No, don't do that, dude. No, that's the worst way to go. That's only the first time I lost because I was just talking. So let's focus. That's the other reason why I lost. Hey guys, like why are we getting jetpacks back to back? That's cool. Cool, but it's absurd. Absurd. Why are we get jetpacks back to back? This is weird. This is absurd. Okay, we back with the 8,000 coins. That's cool. We're back where we started. So, yeah. Pretty cool, right? Gonna have to make a part 4, right? Yeah, that's good too. That's good too. How long have we been making this video? Okay, let's see. We've been making this video for 11 minutes. Wow. I thought it has been like 20 minutes or something. I don't know. What has been 20 minutes already? I don't know. I don't like, you notice most of my videos in like 20 minutes or so, or like 25, 21, 22 or something. Usually in the 20s. They don't really get in the 30s for real. Like, that's weird. And you notice I'm not really making a lot of videos with the camera, the regular camera, because I don't got like enough data anymore to make videos like that anymore. I just make videos like while I'm playing games. It's still fun, but it seems like I get more views when I'm actually using a real camera. I need to comb my hair. Oh no, that's bad. Yep, I need my pick. Yep, that's bad. Yeah, I need my pick now. Okay, after this video, I'm gonna go. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go comb my hair. Oh yeah, we winning. We the boss champion. About to get to 11 million points. Yeah. We about to get to 11 million points, and my mom is downstairs. She doesn't know I'm in the bathroom, and yeah, she come in here and she's gonna say some words that you don't want to hear. So I'm gonna mute it. So if I pause it, something's going on, and if the video stops, that means bye bye. See you in the next video or so. I don't know. So I'm gonna pause it right now. So yeah. Okay, guys, we're back with Unmuted, and yeah, so let's go. We're making good progress here. Very good progress. Not gonna stop making this good progress. This is good progress. Good progress. Oh, another key. Wee! 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 Okay, right now this is part 3, right? Yeah, part 3. We haven't posted part 2 yet, so here's the thing. You're gonna see me post part 2, I guess. Maybe not. We might just finish this. I'm gonna have to get the post going. So get the post going. No, or not. Or not. Or not. Okay. Or not. Okay, because we want to finish this. I really want to get far. I really want to beat this. I really do. So that's why we're not stopping right now. So let's go. Wee, wee, wee. Don't you wonder how Christmas was made? How it all started? Well, that's what this little boy asked in my class. I'm in middle school. Yeah, he asked me. He asked the teacher, the history teacher. Oh, how was Christmas made? How it started? How did it start? It was a hard question to ask. Like, you can't really shape the like. It's like, well, how do you ask such a question? Well, the teacher didn't reply anything. Like, probably most likely he didn't know or something. I don't know. But I'm wondering how did it start? But like, how did it start? Like like they were all kind of like the students all kind of joking, but I'm thinking like that is like a good question. Like, how did it start? I don't know. Let's look it up. You want to look it up on Google? I'm gonna look up on Google after this. How Christmas started? We're gonna ask. It's a simple question. How if you didn't know, we're gonna tell Google, ask Google how Christmas started. It's just gonna be a little short mini thing. And it's gonna ask Google how Christmas started, and then we're gonna put it to TikTok, and it's gonna tell them how Christmas started. Yeah, good luck with that. To me, yeah, because nobody's talking to me, so I'm just gonna say good luck to me. That's so weird, but yeah, we did it. We do weird things, and I don't know. I do. Wait, where did I get we do weird things. I'm the only here in my room. Yeah. I do weird things sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, I sometimes. Yes, I do some weird stuff sometimes. Uh, and I do smart stuff most of the time, and I be silly. Um, um, half of the time. So how does that make any sense? Like, you be smart most of the time, but half of the time of those most you're just like, so half smart, half silly. Okay, let's kind of logical. I don't know. Like, half of my brain's silly, half of it's smart. That's not even accurate. Your brain does many things, and it's like
there's parts of your brain that does like control different things, and you only use 10% of your brain. Why am I don't know. Like, I'm talking smart. Like, this is science class or something. This is supposed to be fun. Why am I talking about school? This is Christmas break. What's wrong with me? God, what's wrong with me? Why am I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me. Stop. If you here's this is my superstition. If you talk about school on Christmas break, it's gonna make it shorter. So don't talk about it. That's my superstition. Yeah, I believe. That's my belief. That's what the students believe. If you talk about, let me just stop right now. Okay. Yeah. Whee! Comment down below if you think I talk too much. No, just kidding. Don't do that. You can, but don't really. But you don't have to if you don't want to. But I wouldn't recommend that. You could do work. I wouldn't recommend that. Yeah. I'm gonna name all the words I know. Okay. Okay. So recommend. This is gonna be a long list. So recommend to a the two, like I'm going to the store, that kind of two. Two, the number two in the form of word, for the word for despicable, catastrophic, spectacular, fabulous, extravagant, um, lighten, up, jump, beat. There's so many words I know. Why did I think of this? Like this, so there's just like a million, like 1 million words of English. Like English is a little like to like it's like kind of like a hard to master, but like when you're little, you master it. Like you kind of like you shape the words. Like you like kind of like meant like kind of phase your mouth, like your mouth, use your mouth, and you're kind of like you're like you move your mouth and kind of like try to like shape it like how the other and how the, your parents are doing it, and then kind of like mimicking it like that, and that's how you really that's how you learn it from your parents and stuff. Yeah, I know that. I'm a smart kid. Everybody knows that. Yeah, but why they gotta tell it to you? I already know I'm smart. Yeah. Most of you probably didn't watch then because I've been saying some things that it's kind of like weird or stuff that's out of the category. So people who got it this far, yeah. Thanks for watching, but stuff I say and be getting like you're gonna be like, what is this man talking?